Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches every aspect of our lives. Chemistry in our daily lives. Chemistry is often thought of as a complex science that happens in laboratories, but in reality, it's happening all around us, every second of the day. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, chemical reactions are at play in ways we might not even realize. In this video, we'll explore how chemistry influences our everyday experiences, from the mundane to the extraordinary. Let's start with something simple: washing your hands with soap. It's a routine action that we rarely think twice about, but the chemistry behind it is both fascinating and essential. Soap is made up of molecules called surfactants, which have two distinct ends: the hydrophilic end. This part of the molecule loves water and readily dissolves in it. The hydrophobic end. This part hates water but loves oils and grease. When you apply soap to your hands, the hydrophobic end of the soap molecule binds to the oils, dirt, and germs on your skin, while the hydrophilic end binds to water. As you rinse your hands, the soap molecules help lift away the dirt and oils, allowing them to be washed down the drain. This simple yet effective mechanism is a powerful example of chemistry at work in our daily hygiene. Experiment idea. You can demonstrate this by putting a drop of oil in a glass of water and adding a few drops of dish soap. Watch how the oil disperses. This is the soap doing its job. Have you ever noticed how an apple or banana starts to turn brown soon after you cut it? This color change is due to a chemical reaction known as oxidation. When the fruit's cells are exposed to oxygen in the air, enzymes called polyphenol oxidases, PPOs, react with the oxygen. This reaction produces a brown pigment called melanin, which causes the fruit to change color. This is the same pigment found in our skin, responsible for tanning. While the browning process doesn't necessarily make the fruit harmful to eat, it can affect its taste and texture. However, there's a simple way to slow down this oxidation: adding an acid like lemon juice, which lowers the pH and inhibits the activity of the PPO enzymes. Experiment idea: cut an apple into slices and treat half of them with lemon juice. Leave the other half untreated. Observe the difference in browning over time. Now let's move on to something a bit more complex. How do batteries power our devices? Whether it's your smartphone, remote control, or electric car, all these gadgets rely on batteries, which operate thanks to chemical reactions. A battery typically consists of three main components: anode, negative electrode; cathode, positive electrode; and electrolyte, the medium that allows the flow of electric charge. Inside a battery, a chemical reaction occurs that releases electrons from the anode, which then travel through the circuit to the cathode. This flow of electrons is what we call electricity, and it's what powers your devices. Different types of batteries use different chemicals, but the principle is the same. For example, in a common alkaline battery, the anode is usually made of zinc, and the cathode is made of manganese dioxide. The electrolyte is usually potassium hydroxide. As the battery is used, the chemicals gradually convert into new compounds, and the flow of electrons slows down until the battery is dead. Experiment idea. You can create a simple battery at home using a lemon, a copper coin, and a galvanized nail. Insert the nail and coin into the lemon and connect them with wires to a small LED light. Watch as the light illuminates, demonstrating how chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. Let's talk about something we encounter every day but might not think of in chemical terms: the taste of our food. The flavor of what we eat and drink is significantly influenced by its pH level, a measure of how acidic or basic, alkaline, a substance is. Acidic foods have a pH less than 7. Examples include citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, which have a sharp, tangy taste because of their high acid content. Basic or alkaline foods have a pH greater than 7. Examples include certain vegetables like spinach or cucumbers, which tend to have a milder, sometimes slightly bitter taste. The pH level not only affects taste but can also influence texture and color. For instance, adding an acidic ingredient like vinegar to a vegetable dish can brighten its colors and enhance its flavor. Experiment idea. You can test the pH of various household items using pH strips or red cabbage juice as a natural pH indicator. Dip the strips into solutions like lemon juice, baking soda dissolved in water, or coffee, and compare the colors to see their relative acidity or alkalinity. Fire is one of the earliest chemical reactions that humans learned to control, and it still plays a crucial role in our lives today. Combustion, the chemical process that creates fire, involves a reaction between a fuel, like wood, gasoline, or natural gas, and oxygen, resulting in the release of energy in the form of heat and light. During combustion, the chemical bonds in the fuel break apart, and new bonds form to create water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, and other gases. The energy released during this process is what we see as flames and feel as heat. Fire is used for cooking, heating, and even generating electricity in power plants. However, it's important to manage combustion carefully to prevent uncontrolled fires, which can be dangerous and destructive. Safety tip: always handle fire with care and never leave an open flame unattended. Understanding the chemistry behind fire can help you appreciate its power and the importance of fire safety. As we've explored, chemistry is not just a subject confined to textbooks and laboratories, it's an integral part of our daily lives. From the soap that cleans our hands to the batteries that power our devices, chemical reactions are constantly at work around us. By understanding the basic principles of chemistry, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the world we live in and the invisible forces that shape our everyday experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.